I'm walking. I'm about to kill this player. What? Oh no, I gotta run. Ha, you're cornered. You know what? You know what? I'm done. I am done. Wait, what do you mean you're done? What does that mean? Oh, I'm done, alright. I will end you. Okay, chill. Is that a rocket launcher? Oh, you're gonna die. Jill, I can give you Robux. I can give you like a stack of Robux. No. What? 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 What do you mean? No. I thought bacon sells Robux. No. We are bacons. Not Lakins. I'll give you a Grandmaster. No. Okay. I'll give you the Unleashed Black Master. No. What do you want then? I'll give you a Candy Blossom Tree. Don't go eating all the food, guys. Just because you no more. Doesn't mean that you No, I don't want a Candy Blossom Tree. Let me see what I could do. Give you a pink Katsuni. I'll give you a pink Katsuni. What? You're gonna give me away? Yes, I have to. No. I'll give you a Jando Monkey. No. How would anybody would fuse that? How would anybody skip that? How? That's impossible. I'll give you admin to everything in Roblox. Please don't kill me. Oh yeah, sure. Really? Yeah, give me that. Hee haw. Now I got admin finally. Now you better go run away. Okay, I'm going. Psych. You think you were just gonna get away? What do you mean? I gave you admin. Wait, what? We made a deal. I was actually a hacker the whole entire time. You gave me admin to Roblox. Now I can go hack and grow garden and everything else. Ha. Now say goodbye. Cool Kid got banned from Hacker Bacon 26. Ha. Now I'm gonna hack you guys. Guys, help! I'm getting lasered by Jandal. Jandal's doing admin abuse, but he's lasering on me. Help, guys! Help! Guys, help! Okay, guys, I just finished him off with a nuclear laser eyes. Okay, guys, that's all for the admin abuse today. I hope you got the nuclear explosion mutation. Okay, now I gotta go back to eat for lunch. See you next week. Wee.